Okay, start. So the other day we were out fishing and we had our Bote Rover Aero, and my buddy fell overboard and he grabbed onto the bucket rail, and when he did, it came out of one side, but it popped the screw nuts out of the mount itself. So if you first look at it, it looks like it's an impossible fix, but we already got one of them back in by using a 1/4-inch bolt, a little bit of soap, and make sure that you leave it in the sun so it gets nice and hot, and then using a really strong pair of pliers you can get it right back in. And it's easy as that. Problem solved. Thanks for watching.